Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G72, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, as you can see, the phone that I have in front of me is locked, and I could obviously unlock it using the previously set up pattern or Google account. But assuming I don't know any of those, I will show you how you can just bypass this. So to get started, you'll want to progress through the setup till you get to the Wi-Fi connection page, sign into your network, and then back out to the first page, select Vision Settings, then we're going to select TalkBack, and you want to enable it.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack.
Oh jeez, that's way too loud. And apparently almost at 0, it's still way too loud.
It gives you spoken feedback so you can use your device.
Anyway, so once you see this page right here, you want to draw a mirrored L like this on the screen and this green outline.
Permission request.
Select the first option right here while using the app, and then double tap on it and select Use Voice Command and shush. And before you double tap on it, I'm going to quickly go into what we need to say, because this will need to be verbally stated to the device. So when you double tap on it, you want to say Open Google Assistant. It will accept a comment, and then it will start listening to again. And you want to follow up by saying Open YouTube. So I'm going to show you this right now. I can listen to it and also pay attention to the cues. There will be beeps that signify when I need to talk and when the device is accepting my command. So here we go. Open Google Assistant. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
So there we go. Pretty easy once you get a hold of it. Now, once you have your YouTube open, you want to hold volume up and volume down at the same time. Select Turn On, double tap, and then hold the two keys once more.
TalkBack off.
Why so loud? Anyway, so from here, let's click on the account icon, Settings, About, and then Google Privacy Policy, which will open up our web browser. Select Accept and Continue, and No Thanks. And once you have your browser open completely, you want to tap on the navigation bar and then navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. I'm going to write it down myself, and if you need a moment to copy the link, do pause the video. So now would be the time to pause. From here, you want to consent and then scroll down and select not that, Settings. There we go. So select Settings, choose Apps, see all 41 apps or however many you chose for you, and then select 3 dots, Show System Apps, and you want to start off by selecting the Android setup. So we have one right here. Select Force Stop and OK, then go back and scroll down to Google Play Services. There we go, Google Play Services. Select this, select Disable App, and Force Stop. So we have turned off 2 applications right now. Once you have done so, you want to go back and back once more and once more. There we go, to the main settings page. Also recommend muting the sound just because it's going to be really annoying. From here, from the main settings page, select Accessibility, then select Accessibility Menu, toggle it on, Allow. As you can see, that's this button here. Select Got it, and now we can just back out to the beginning of the setup by just pressing the back button. There we go. So once you have this open, you can progress through the setup. Let it load. From here, select don't copy, and you should then see the device checking for updates, and it's gonna glitch out like it does, and then goes back to checking for updates. So once you're on this page, the device should not be able to go any further, at least not right now. And what you wanted to do is press on this accessibility menu, select assistant, choose settings, and I'll mention this, you might need to repeat this dozens of times before it works. Sometimes you might just need to do it once. We'll see how many times it takes me. But you want to select the settings and then enable button, which was like right here. There we go. So once you enable it, go back once, and once you do, it will open up the Google Assistant page, so it starts listening to you. Just press somewhere on the screen to get rid of it. Just don't press the back button twice. So here we go. 1. And as you can see, it just completely decided to not verify you. It skips over that page, and now we can finish up the setup over phone. Now at this point, you just want to select whatever comes quickest to you. It does not really matter how we set up our device, just because we still need to perform a factory reset of the device to fully unlock it. So skip everything that you can. Now, once you have your home screen visible, swipe up, navigate to Settings, and then scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, Erase All Data Factory Reset, and then Erase All Data. Do that once more, and this will begin factory resetting your device. Now, at this point, once you do that twice, the bypass is finished. So it will bring us back to the setup screen of the phone. At that point, you can set up your phone however you want. So like I said, at this point, the bypass is finished. I'm still gonna just let it run through and come back just to do a quick setup, just so you can see this being done and see that it works. So yeah, I'll be back once, like I said, once it's finished. So now I'm gonna go through the setup. I'll be skipping as much as I can, but keep in mind, if the device were locked, I wouldn't be able to set it up offline, which I just am doing right now. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.